everyone. So first things first, my hair is purple. I just kind of did it on a whim and I just kind of wanted to not necessarily have purple hair, but I like how the hair fades into kind of like a silvery lavender kind of thing. So it's like having this bright purple is not really my end goal. It's more of like the silver thing, but I always love purple hair and it's fun to do and it's kind of fun to like watch it fade and stuff. So my hair is purple at the moment. It's just a little bit patchy. I tried to do a good job, but it just never always turns out perfect. But I definitely do have a couple more videos that are like pre-filmed. So if you see my hair like going back and forth between like blonde and purple and every shade of lilac in between, that's why I definitely have a couple weeks of videos already filmed. So today I'm going to be doing a video about beauty products that I just don't understand. Some of these things are like the very specific products and some of these are more general, and I'll have a couple of these to share with you, but most of these products I don't actually own because they are weird and I just don't understand them. So the first kind of makeup product that I just don't really understand, and this one I've bought tons of these before and I'm always like, why did I buy that? So the first one is contour palettes. So now contour palettes have been very popular over the last few years in contouring as well. And I've definitely bought my fair share of them. And one of the things with contour palettes is that they are trying to cater to a wide like variety of skin tone, which I think is like actually great. But the only problem is unless you are a makeup artist, I just find that a lot of these products will have colors that if you can use this one, then this one will be too orange or this one will be too deep, or this one will be too light for you. So just one that I have in particular, this is the Profusion Studio Contour Palette. I actually really like this palette, but I only like 2 products in this. So with this one, there are 3 contour, more like bronzer colors almost on me, and then there are 3 like highlighting colors. So the only 2 that I really like and can use for my specific skin tone is this light shimmering one and then this kind of cool toned one. However, for my skin, this is just too dark for me to use, and this one's a little bit too orangey red. I definitely like to use things that are a little bit more cool toned to contour with because I am so fair. And then these 2 colors here, these are like almost my skin tone color. This one's a little more peachy, this one's a little more yellow. So I just don't really find I have that many uses for face products to use these. Of course I can always use these as eyeshadows, but these are absolutely massive. I feel like I'd never get through that in my entire life. So even though this was a very inexpensive product, I think it was probably about $6 for the whole thing, I just find that for me really I'm only getting use out of these 2 products. It's kind of a big bulky thing and I feel like it would just have been a lot better if I had just found one individual product that I could have used for contouring or for highlighting and things like that. Going along with that same kind of point, again, this is like concealer palette. So with this was just like another really cheapy one. I honestly don't even use this one at all because the product's not good, but you can see that it's nice because there are a lot of different colors in here, so like you can find one that works for you or you can mix. But again, most of these products would never really work for me, so there's a lot of wasted things that I just really wouldn't get a whole lot of use out of. So again, if you're like a makeup artist, things like this are like perfect and great because you'll always have like different clients, different skin tones, you can mix things, and you'll always have different colors in one convenient palette. But for the average consumer, I just don't think it makes a whole lot of sense to buy things like this. Even though they're like super inexpensive, or even if you get one that is a little bit of a nicer quality one, there's really only so many colors you can use on your own personal skin tone. So for me, again, concealer palettes just, they don't make a whole lot of sense for just the average individual consumer. So these next few things, I don't have an actual like specific product to share with you, but this is like something that has been very popular in like the skincare and like beauty products lately, and that has been glitter face masks. So I understand kind of like the like intrigue and the fun kind of nature because it's glitter, it's cute, it's pretty, you can take fun selfies or anything like that. But honestly, glitter in skincare makes absolutely no sense to me. When you think about it, number one, glitter is like really bad for the environment because it's just like tiny pieces of like plastic and shredded metal, and just shredded down into very, very fine particle sizes. But in skincare, I really just don't understand what place glitter has in skincare, because for me, I just don't really think it does. Again, it's really cute and fun, and Too Faced has come out with theirs. It's called the Glow Job. I think Elf has one. It's like a black glitter one. I think Glam Glow was kind of one of the first ones that kind of I guess, started the trend of like a glitter peel off face mask. You don't really need those tiny particles of like metal and plastic like making micro abrasions on your skin. So I just really not quite sure how I feel about having glitter in my skincare. So next is magnetic eyelashes. I have seen these for the past, I don't know, probably year or two now. There was one company who came out with these crazy expensive magnetic eyelashes, and it just doesn't make any sense to me. In theory, it sounds like, oh, it would be nice, it would work, you know, have magnetic strips on the lashes and then you like sandwich them on your lashes to make them stay. But every video I've ever seen, no one has ever like gotten them to apply nicely or like look as nice as like just a regular false eyelash strip. And I think Ardell, maybe, was it Ardell? One of those drugstore eyelash brands kind of came out with their like kind of dupe of that. It's still like, I don't know, like $11 or $13 or something. I still just don't think that they would work that great. I've never tried them, so I guess, you know, I can't really say for sure, but from all the videos I have seen, those magnetic eyelashes, they just seem like more trouble than anything that they would be worth if you were to just use a regular eyelash strip. And lastly, another beauty trend that I just don't get. This one I specifically saw from e.l.f. They came out with this probably like a few months ago, but it's like their makeup for working out specifically. Number one, why you'd wear like makeup if you are actively working out, and number two, why would you need specific makeup for working out? Like, it's still just mascara, lipstick, and like foundation and things like that. So it's just kind of this weird marketing plan to kind of make you think you need a specific mascara for working out. It's like, it's still gonna be a waterproof mascara, and it's still going to be just a tinted lip balm and things like that. So that one I think is definitely a lot more of the marketing side, trying to like make you feel like you need these specific things. There's nothing that is really adding to your workout when it's just a lipstick. So that is it for some of the makeup products that I don't understand. Let me know what you guys think. Are there any products that you see that's trending in beauty or skincare or anything like that that you just really don't understand? Because I feel like there's so many more that I'm like, what is the point of that? But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.